Good morning. I know I'm saying that as it's still dark out. It is indeed 5:30 in the morning. We're headed to Lock City.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
We are not driving, but we are just spectating. Because Spoon and Austin are driving, so we're gonna go and be their hype men. Right now we're driving to meet up with Spoon because we're gonna carpool there. So we'll see when we get there. It's one big bit. Car to truck swap, I guess you can say, at Dunkin'. Cheers. You brought a helmet that fits me?
Yes, I got you.
Oh, so real.
Coming for ride-alongs?
Yeah, I am.
Is this gonna be our vlog this weekend?
Yeah. I actually touched that car, so I gotta get riding it.
Yeah,
so.
you welded the bit.
I did take a nap on the way here, so no on-road footage. Gotta wake up. I just want to pee. First thing we do when we get to the drift event. Side setting up. Now we're just walking around, looking at all the Miatas. There's so many fucking
Spoon shit stolen. Kai, what is that? Damn, Carter popped out too?
Personally, I've been to Thompson a handful of times and I've never once watched to see it bad. Now I am.
It's the least enjoyable to watch, but I'm sure you guys know what that was. There's a lot of Miatas, holy fuck.
I'm not complaining. It's a motivation. I'm gonna go out with Kira. I don't know, might be a little late. We'll see what Kyle says. Never mind, we're gonna go with Austin because A class is over. It's time for B.
She just needed my phone charger.
That too. Have fun with your work life, sweetie. Welcome back. We are getting food. I'm gonna get some hot chocolate because it is chilly.
Here you go, Kyle. Update the vlog for you. You look like a little old grandma right now.
Major success.
Austin, how was your session?
Great.
Austin's bored. His car's not loud enough and not rowdy enough.
Honestly.
You just gotta make it louder and you'll be fine.
Yeah.
Vroom
I
vroom!
think before Drifters of December, I'm gonna try and get a test pipe. Delete the cat. It's just too quiet.
Quiet, boring.
Boring.
I'm over here rowdy, just popping and banging.
Your passenger seat legit feels like a vibrator. Sat any longer,
Ladies.
I might have come.
Jordy has decided he wants to drive the December event.
Yeah?
Yeah, the one
Oh, the one here.
Yeah, not driver's ed stuff.
Virginia.
It's too expensive. All right, so that concludes Lock City Day. We're gonna pack up and head home, take a nap, and tomorrow we're painting the Miata cage.
Yep, guess the color.
Psych, not the end of the day yet. 'Cause we're gonna drive. Okay, now we're heading back.
The next day.
Hey guys, not my wheel, but it is my keys. We're gonna move my car. I accidentally left my wheel at my shop where we're taking this thing to finally paint the cage. Because if you didn't know, now you know. I'm an apprentice painter. I don't think I ever tried to put another steering wheel onto this hub yet, so. I'm gonna move my car closer so I can start prepping this bitch without getting the shop as dirty as Tom got it. I don't want to be Tom. My name's Kylie and welcome to my shitty plastic wrap job. I swear I'm much better at my job than it looks like.
This is K to the Y exhibit. We heard you like your rollbar, so we gave you a bar for your bar.
Anyways, I got the, where is it? I got the wire wheel ready to hit these little rust spots that formed. I'm gonna go for this really big one right here first. It's like it was never there. I'm gonna time lapse the rest of this. Ta-da! Everything is prepped, ready for paint. I'm finishing up taking out my seat because that is another realization I came to, that it needs to be taken out. Unscrewing the last bolts. Here, let's back you guys up. Good to go. Now let's get to the paint shop. And we're in the booth. That's my boss. So I took out the front seat. We're gonna put paper on the window and the back tray so the paint splatter doesn't hit there. And I want to say we're gonna put plastic all over here, right? I feel like that's
No, that's your car. No, I'm kidding.
I thought you were serious for a second. My face just like a lot of taping and paper, plastic later. Still not done.
Teaching Kylie how to mix paint. You see these numbers? The paint are rated in different ratios. So you gotta mix this one in 2:1. Some paints are 1:1, that is half and half. This is less than half. So you put the paint first, right to the 6, and then put reduce it. To what, which line? You forgot already? The second one.
The second
right
one.
there.
Cool. Everything is wrapped. Time to clean the roller.
Wipe it down, wipe.
Time to prime.
Right. Then you gotta take your hand and follow wherever you spray. There. Regulator is not good.
Oh no.
Yeah, let me get another one. Take 15. Better.
Short intermission while we were spraying to take off the soft top. It was getting in the way. We thought we could maneuver behind it, but no. Here we are. But look how good the pink is coming out, guys. Now we can make it shiny, make it look nice. Busting out the big guns now.
Way easier. It's pink.
I'm gonna spray the second coat, so here we go. I'm all pink. It's time for clear coat. Jordan! You excited? The final reveal! Thank you.
Good color.
Such a good color. We're naming this color the Kai Quinn Pink because Anthony made it, so it's not claimed. You like it?
2 thumbs up.
Cue the B-roll!